The Microsoft System Configuration Utility, or MSCONFIG, is a system utility present in Microsoft Windows at startup to troubleshoot any issue or process. It can be used to enable or disable any software, services, boot parameters, device drivers, and system controls. MSCONFIG is now known as System Configurations as its official name in newer version of Windows. General tab. The General tab is a default tab in system configuration and shows how the computer will start. By default, normal startup should be selected. List of choices for startup configuration: normal startup, diagnostic startup, and selective settings. Boot tab. This tab allows you to make the same adjustment you can make in the Windows boot any file without having to edit the file. It shows configuration option for the operating system and advanced debugging settings, including the following: Safe boot minimal, safe boot alternate shell, safe boot active directory repair, safe boot network, no GUI boot, and boot log. Service tab. The Service tab allows you to enable or disable any of the Microsoft Windows services or other program services running on the computer. It lists all the services that start when the computer boots, along with their status, running or stopped. Startup tab. The Startup tab is one of the frequent reasons most Windows users enter the System Configuration Utility. These startup programs are often one of the biggest causes for a computer to start up and run slow. Windows 8 Microsoft has removed this startup feature in the System Configuration Utility and moved it into a Windows 8 Task Manager. And check any program that you want to disable from startup each time. Tools tab. This provides a convenient list of diagnostic tools and other device tools that you can run. Windows Registry is a hierarchical database that stores low-level settings for the Microsoft Windows operating system and for applications that opt to use the registry. In other words, the registry or Windows Registry contains information, settings, options, and other values for program and hardware installed on all versions of Microsoft Windows operating systems. DirectX Diagnostic. DirectX is a collection of APIs used in Windows for multimedia and video programs, and especially important to video graphics artists and gamers. It lets you perform basic diagnostics tests on the DirectX system. Control Panel Applets. The name of various applets in the control panel differs slightly depending on the version of Windows installed. In Windows XP, the icons are grouped into categories: System and Security, Network and Internet, Hardware, Programs, User Accounts, Appearance and Personalization, Clock, Language and Region, and Ease of Access.